Hey, welcome to A-Reliable Craftsman, specialist in the construction industry for the last 45 years. One of our new challenge is to pour a new stoop throughout this entryway and remove the wrought iron gates and have them powder coated so they'll be brand new again. Of course, do some welding and improve on the original design. So the customer decided that, hey, we might as well do the windows and everything else too. So we want you to see all the wonderful things that happens to us when we do clients' homes. We always have to be very thorough and very conscious of what we're doing and be respectful for them using our company. We appreciate the opportunity. 708-654-1823. Services reliable 8@gmail.com, and we teach young men and women how to handle professional grinding tools like this and so many thousands of other tools used in our profession. We're licensed occupational tradesmen, and we believe in getting it done right the first time. So this is our second go around for this client, and we appreciate Ian, who's filming this quick, short verse of what we do. So thank you, Ian. And you can see we're in a very affluent community. So these customers want to keep their homes up, and they spend a lot of money and are very prideful for their property. So when it has to be done right and fast, who do you call? A-Reliable Craftsman, 708-654-1823. It's a wrap. I got a little ways to go to get it finished. So this one is off. And we're going to load these on the van and have them remolded on the bottom. And maybe have a self-closing hinge installed on them as well. So the customer doesn't have to worry about having it closing. Okay, so we're just going to load these babies up and get them over to our shop and get them welded. Once we have them all welded, then of course, like I said, we take them and have them powder coated to their original luster. You're talking about beautiful. So they'll last another 100 years.